guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Summer is here and so is my acne. Anyways, after 2 years of pandemic and all its horrible thing, we finally get to enjoy summer actually by going on vacations, having fun with our friends and family outside, and hopefully it continues. Our skin is always affected by harmful rays of sun, and so we need sunscreen. So I'm actually using Lotus Botanicals sunscreen, just not a sunscreen. It's actually vitamin C skin brightening matte fluid sunscreen. Also, for a fact, I've been using their vitamin C serum, so I also wanted to give this a try because it has vitamin C. Many people think only if you go outside in the morning or in the afternoon is when your skin gets affected, mostly in sun, and only then you want sunscreen, but it's not that. Also, when you're going in evenings or even if you're just staying at home, you also need to apply sunscreen. Those thinking why should you apply sunscreen, because it burns the UV rays and it also lets your skin to stay young and also protects your skin. Speaking of why I chose Lotus Botanicals, first mainly of course it is vitamin C. It also prevents dark spots and photo aging. When too much of sun rays affects our skin loses the elasticity, and so most of the time people who are exposed too much to sun kind of look older than their age, and that is one of the main reasons. Also, for a fact, there are no preservative and no toxic chemicals in this product. It's also one of the main reasons why I choose this. We never know, sometimes it's too sunny and sometimes it's not that sunny at all. It's better to use a 50 SPF sunscreen so that you're always protected from the sun rays. So I have open pores. Whatever I do, these open pores are not going off me, and I have new acne all over my face. So I chose this because they're non-comedogenic, which means they don't clog your pores. It's actually best if you have a lot of open pores or skin is acne prone. Not just this, they're also sulfate free, water resistant, anti-pollution, mineral oil free, 100% vegan, cruelty free, and they're also recyclable. Now let's see the texture of it. It's very lightweight and it gets absorbed easily to your skin, and it's very thin. The texture or the cream, it's very thin and it's very easy to apply. Also, for a fact, sometimes people have a very long skincare routine in the morning. I think this is also a plus because it is matte fluid, and if you are a person who uses CC cream or BB cream on your SPF sunscreens, I think you can just club it up and just use this product because it gives a complete foundation kind of feel when you apply this. I must say, generally I've tried other sunscreens and they're very heavy and thick to apply. For example, once you apply on your skin, you have to keep rubbing them over to evenly spread over your skin, or does not have that spot here and there so that it's equally distributed on your skin. And I felt this was very easy to apply on skin because it is very lightweight and very thin cream, and it's very fluidy and it's not that thick. So I think it's really very easy to apply this. Also, a few sunscreens, when you apply them, you kind of get a white patch on your skin, and sometimes it's very evident that you have applied sunscreen or something, and this doesn't leave any white cast on your skin. That is the worry most of us have, and most of the reason people think twice to apply sunscreen is because of the white patch that they leave on your skin. And I've been using this for a month and I've been very satisfied with this product, so I just wanted to share with this you guys too. This makes us come to the end of this video. I really hope this video is very helpful for you, and if you want to buy this product, I would have put the link in the description box below. You can go and shop it. Hope you enjoyed the summer as much as you missed in these 2 years, and please go enjoy outside. Same time, remember to be prepared for it equally. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.